Hello guys, welcome to SLA tutorials. In the last video, we have seen overview of control structures in Python. In this video, we'll discuss about sequence execution. First, what is sequence execution? Sequential statements are a set of statements whose execution process happens in a sequence. Means, if there is a 10 codes of line, it will execute line by line from 1 to 10. The problem with this sequential execution is that if the logic has broken in any one of these lines, then the complete source code execution will break. Means if there is a 10 codes of line and having an error at 5th line, it will execute the 4 lines, but it will stop at the 5th line because there is an error at 5th line. We'll see an example. Here I will write print in double quotes welcome, enter. Print in double quotes I will write to Python, enter. Print in double quotes I will write tutorials. Run this program and I will save this program as Python. We got the output as welcome to Python tutorials. It executed line by line. First it prints welcome. In second line it prints to Python. In third line it prints tutorials. If I remove t from second print statement and I will run this code, it executes the first line and prints the output as welcome, and we have an error at second line, so it stopped here only. This is the disadvantage of the sequence execution. In next video we'll see the remaining control structures. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.